Hi, I'm Josh Fisher with Fisher's Marina, and I am standing on a 2021 Sylvan Mirage 822LZ. The 8 stands for it's a narrower model. It's only 8 foot wide, like a lot of traditional pontoons were for many years. The 22 means it's 22 feet long, and the LZ stands for what floor plan it is. So we have 2 loungers in the front, dual helm seats, and 2 loungers at the back of the boat. On this model, we did do the black rails, champagne color, and we upgraded to tall back helm seats, which really does a nice job for the co-captain and the captain, gives you a lot nicer seat. As we come to the back of the boat here, you can see they have a nice wood grain table. The rear loungers are large enough for an adult to stretch out and lounge, or 2 adults to sit comfortably, possibly even 3. We come to the rear of the boat, we have a nice walk area back here, ski tow bar, boarding ladder. We did equip this boat with rear speakers on the swim deck so that you can be swimming in the water and adjust your radio without having to get out of the boat. Under the lounge backs, there is storage under each of those. Nice place to stow buoys, life jackets, quick reach items. Something Sylvan does a really good job on their helm seats is making sure that they can turn all the way around without hitting the fence panels or the seats. As we come up through the boat, this boat also has a changing room on it. It is equipped in the lounge back right here. And you just pop the curtain up, drop it down, and you have a nice changing area to get out of wet clothes. Easily stows away. It is a lockable compartment, so if you wanted to store something in there that you wanted to keep out of reach, it's nice to have. The helm is also put to a storage area as well. Coolers, bags, beach bags, anything you want to get off the floor out of the way. Nice area to store there. When we come to the helm here, we have plenty of leg room for the driver. Again, the seat turns with ease without hitting anything. We have equipped this boat with extreme steering, so it has a tilt wheel. Nice area on the dash to expand for a depth finder, fish finder, or any other items you'd like to add in the future. The gauges are well laid out so they're easy to see from the driver's area, with 2 spots for expansion for a depth finder maybe, or a compass. The radio is an upgraded JL audio radio system. Nice sun cover on it. USB outlets. All your switches are right here to the right, with circuit breakers below them for each of the circuits. Key is just below that with the kill lead. Shifter is nice, easily to reach from the driving area. Cup holder just below that. The seats do slide up and back to accommodate drivers of different sizes. And the wheel is a tilt again, so you have full adjustment of the driver's area when you're boating. One other nice thing about Sylvan that they did is the quick release enemy tops. So rather than having a top that you really have to fight with sometimes to get latched, they have a nice stainless steel clip, no plastic hardware, and you can easily just bump it and the leg releases and easily latches back in. The front top can be adjusted with a push button here. If you have any questions about the Sylvan 822LZ Mirage, please contact us. Thank you very much.